To turn on or turn off vibrate while sun in Samsung Galaxy Watch4, open settings, swipe up the screen, and then tap settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find sounds and vibration, and then tap sounds and vibration, scroll down the screen, and then on vibrate with sound, tap switch until blue to turn on or tap switch until gray to turn off. If you cannot find vibrate with sound menu, you must select sound mode as sound. If you select vibrate or mute, you cannot find vibrate with sound. You must select sounds in sound mode, and then vibrate with sound will be show. Tap switch until blue to turn on or tap switch until gray to turn off. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.